All right, YouTube creators, listen up. If you're not using ChatGPT to grow your channel, you're honestly missing out. So here are 5 creative ways I'm using ChatGPT to supercharge my YouTube growth. And trust me, you'll want to steal these hacks. First up, brainstorming video ideas. We've all hit that, right? Well, with ChatGPT, I just throw in a topic or two, and suddenly I've got a list of unique ideas, trending topics, even fun twists I'd never have thought of. It's like having a brainstorming buddy, but faster, and it never gets tired. Next, your video descriptions. Don't just wing it. ChatGPT can whip up SEO-friendly, attention-grabbing descriptions in seconds. I just add my keywords, let it work its magic, and watch my videos climb in the search rankings. Number 3, audience engagement. This is where it gets fun. I use ChatGPT to create interactive quizzes and polls for my videos. Seriously, viewers a bit of competition. Plus, it helps build a real sense of community. And when it comes to comments, total game changer. I use ChatGPT to craft thoughtful, personalized responses to viewers. It's like I'm everywhere at once, building relationships and keeping the convo going, even when I'm asleep. Lastly, scripting. I'll admit, I'm not always the funniest person, but ChatGPT helps me write engaging scripts with a conversational tone and even sneaks in some jokes. My retention rates have never looked better. So if you're serious about growing on YouTube, don't sleep on ChatGPT. These 5 hacks could be your secret weapon. Go and give them a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creator tips. Catch you in the next one.